Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you how you can make a logo and YouTube channel art easily for your YouTube channel. So please first you just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can view all the latest videos, and as you can see here is my Facebook page as well, and follow it as well. So let me tell you how you can create a logo very easily. If you are not a graphic designer, but I can let you make a logo very easily. So it's very easy. I'm going to tell you about a website that you can just use and create logo and YouTube channel art. First let me tell you what is a YouTube channel art. Basically this is your logo that you're gonna make, and this is your YouTube channel art. These two things are very important for your YouTube channel, because whenever a new subscriber or a new visitor comes to your channel, he or she will look at these things. So this is the first way to make your channel look good. So the website is canva.com. You can just go to canva.com. There is also an app in Play Store that is Canva. You can also download that app, or you can just from your laptop you can just sign. I have an account, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just log in to my account. You can just sign up. So now my account is, as you can see, I have login to my account, and now what I'm gonna do is I want to create a logo. So I'll just type here logo, or as you can see, if you go here at the bottom, you can also see the option that is logo. So I'm going to click on logo very easily, and it will take me to the new page, and here I will show you how you can create a logo very easily. So yeah, it will make a blank page for you. What you can do is you can create your own logo also by using elements, by using many things, but it will get a little complicated. But let me tell you the easiest way, that is they are going to give you different logos that are of different categories. As you can see, if you are making a YouTube channel of gaming games, PUBG games or any other games, then you can just use the gaming logos, and there are many more. Or if you're using making YouTube channel of fashion, then you can just use fashion, computer logo, and many more. So you want to know your category, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to all results, that is all types of logo. So I'm going to select any one logo that I like it from here. So suppose I like this one, so I'm going to select this, and when I will select this, it will just appear here, and now I'm going to edit it. So my channel name I'm going to change here, like info to explore. I can just use it, and you can see I can just use info to explore, and I can just drag it a little so that it will look more good. I can move it here, and I can drag it more, and now it's looking more good, and I can just edit this down one. Like here I can add for what this YouTube channel is, so you can add info to learn or anything else you like about a channel. If it's gaming channel, then you can write games to play or anything you like, you can just use it. As you can see, it's looking very nice. And if you do not like this element, what you can do is you can just delete it, and you can add any new element. If you can see here an option that is elements, you can just go to here, and you can see many elements here. You can just select any element and add it here. So as you can see, there are many elements of different shapes, everything. So I can add any element I like gradients as well, as you can see here. I'll just search for I or info. I can just search. I'll search for I, and yeah, as you can see, I related all elements will be shown here. You can also use the Elements Pro if you can buy it, but I'll just use a simple one which I would like. I can use this one, so I can just add it here. I can make its shape little, yeah. So as you can see, it's looking more good now. Or you can also change your logo design any you want. So it's very easy to create your logo, and what you can do it after creating, you can just click on download. But let me tell you one more thing, is that you can also add elements from Google as well. You can search any element from Google and you can just paste it here. So I'll just click on download, and from here I can just download my logo. So it's very easy. Now secondly, let's talk about the YouTube channel art. So YouTube channel art is this one that is very important for the YouTube channel, and it's very easy to create. You can just type here YouTube channel art, and you can see there are many different categories of channel art, but I'll just click on YouTube channel art, and here they will show you different types of YouTube channel art, and you can just select any one of them. As you can see, suppose I am going to select this one, or maybe this one I could select, yeah. And if you select, then also you can see many options, many different channel arts right here. So what I'm going to do is I just like this one, I'm going to edit it, that is info to explore, and as you can see, it's looking too nice. I can just change it also. If I don't like this one, I can use any logo design I like this one also. I can just use it. As you can see, it is having a plus and this sign. Suppose you're making a gaming channel, what you can do is you can just edit it more and you can just use it. So it's looking very nice, and what you can do is just download it from here and upload it on your YouTube channel. So it's very easy to create your logo and YouTube channel. You can just try it, and please subscribe my channel so that you can view the next latest videos. I hope this would be useful for you. Thank you.